Hot ou cure liurer 8 à straightener. Star 8 dryer en atteint flattiron. Appli à hit protectant en section of urer. Takasmal section of air, enclant tiron oveit, close toute scalp. Turn tiron back on itself halfway. Run tiron slowly down to lung of urer. Repea forte rest of urer. Star 8 completely dryer. Wet arrow on cure la halle, en arrow on cure la velle. Even if you have one of those magical wet to dryer straightener, it is best if you have a dryer. If you're blow drying your hair first, use mousse. Extra volume will keep your hair from looking to fly you curl it. Use atteint flattiron. Your straightener should be about 1 to 2 inch, 2.5 to 5 cm, innovate from plate to angle. Afla, pas de styliron ombeable to do curl. It l'elbe mucharde to hold en vrai if you have taken of straightener entero on te want to stay in the right place. You can't it, but it on base. It tiron up to the minimum temperature you need for your hair. If your hair is finantin, stick to the low en of the dial. Only turn it up if your hair tend to become or frizzy. Apply it protectant. Applying a it protectant aura thermal spray crête à protective barrier between the air antiron saute à terre 2 et 1 freeze le en burn. Spray à love your air rencontre ou gif you drive à combe, just run your finger through your air to distribute the product. If you have take air, spray it on a section before you tackle it. If you just spray it on the top of all your air, it on it the bottom layer. Par your air into section. If you have reality care, you have better luck curling it in section instead of trying to attack the whole mess à once. Tiupter above your hair and put in abnont the top of your head. It need to be out of the way. Star at the bottom of your scalp, close to your hair and neck. Leave down a much hair you can work with for your first layer of curl, en pain up the rest. On se ta layer donne, you long clip your hair en les donne à noter layer. Again, clip up why you can curl right now. Keep curling in layer. Forte last layer, you may wish to curl front to back. Ove, if you're on a team crunch on your hair in naturally wavy, you should be able to get away with just curling at the top layer on the frame around your face. Alternate flick en curl. Flick en curl are simply to slightly differ way to curl your hair with a flattiron. Tribot to the way you lick. Flick, star halfway down the line of hair, clantiron closed and turn it back on itself in a half turn. You should now have created a shape with the hair environ. Keeping a tiron on a half turn angle, slowly move it down the hair shaft tout en off the hair. The faster you move tiron, less pronounced curl bar oblique flick will be. If you lick a big soft flick, slow down your iron. Curl, starting fairly close to the scalp, buno close on ou to accidentally burn it, clantiron closed and turn it back on itself a half turn, te sama with flick. Run tiron slowly down the hair shaft tout en. Again, te slow you move tiron, te tight te curl. Te fast you move tiron, te gently te wave. Make more pronounced curl be turning te straighten a full turn, instead of a half. With flick en curl, you just rotate the hair straighten a half turn. If you want more wrinkly, complete curl, rotate te straighten a full turn, turning te hair over onto itself, sort of creating a loop. Fin out why your hair tend to do between the half and the whole turn. You ma fin ta half en nug, or ta a 3/4 turn more ideal for you. Ou à mort, certains dem have half turn day, en haut day will fail like full turn day. Up to you. Experiment with turning your straightener day en OV. When you rotate your flattiron, wet it is a half rotation or a full rotation, you are confronted with a decision to make, to turn a day en around de rove en around. Night incorrect, to the curl will reverse with the change in angle. Which looks best on you? Just be sure to keep it consist. Easy to cure on way on seed antenne when you switch around to inadvertently switch direction, to. If you do win up accidentally don't, you'll probably beton lion who notice your cure linear for direction. Or treat cramped look. On see now it feel like it to bring back 1995. Instead of being a cramped you know you're going to use on every 2 years, just use your flatiron. Quand it donne on your air en turn it up a quarter of a turn. 10. Quand it on the next bit of air en turn it donne a quarter of a turn. Repeat process don't learn of your air. For cramping, your clamping done on every bit of your air. For curling, you simply curl at the top and slowly drag it down qu'un off like curling ribbon on a gift or balloon. If your air 2nt curl les your 2nt hold a curl, puis spray en section immediately before you curl them. If you want your curl to hold search up just to immediately fall from the straightening, spritz a tiny bit of hairspray on the air right before you curl it. Don't use too much hairspray, tug. Then it becomes stiff and crushy, which is not the look you're aiming for. Grab section of hair you want to curl. How much hair you include in a curl up to you, but rare fait point to keep in mind. Small section make small, tight curl, avec la more of them. If you want a look ta close to anglais, keep your section less than 2 inch wide. Large section reçue bouncy, loose curl ta look a little more natural. Use section ta wide en 2 inch for big curl. Mix it up. You don't have to stick completely to one scissor à noter. For instance, you could do large curl at bottom of your hair, to create lift en volume, en small, more delicate curl around your face. Try it a fait difference why you like best. Use on of tabove technique. Tabove method chart some basic principle, turn your hair straighten over itself, en lightly and slowly drag it down your hair. Quand lightly keeping it hair on te straighten plate no so are difficult to move on no so likely that hair escape. The variable you can switch up. Where you start on your hair, to var your scalp or to var te en, how slowly you move te flatiron, en how much you rotate te flatiron. Experiment with the stray variable to find a perfect look for you. You don't have to curl all your hair, it. A fast 30 hours straight or just wavy can give you a natural, be look. Finish up. You can leave your hair high when you're finished curling, or you can add an additional touch to vary up the style you want. For loose curl, gently run your finger through your hair into the heat. You'll get a little more volume, en a relaxed, natural look. For more hold, puis a light mist of hairspray all over your curl to keep them sleek and tight through good day. If you live in a really humid area, consider using anti-humidity spray avel.